Hey everyone, if you want to set custom notification sounds for specific contacts or groups on Telegram, I will show you how to do it step by step. First, open Telegram and go to the chat of the contact whose notification sound you want to change. Now follow these steps. Tap on the contact's name at the top to open their profile. Select Notifications and Sounds. Tap on Customize or Sound depending on your Telegram version. Then tap on Sound option. Choose from the default sounds or tap Upload Sound to set a custom audio file from your device. Once selected, tap Save and the new notification sound will be applied. If you want to do this for groups or channels, follow the same steps from their profile page. And that's it. You have now set a custom notification sound for a specific contact on Telegram. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Telegram fixes. See you in the next one.